Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics. In previous 3 weeks we were studying chapter 11 measurements. In the measurement what all we studied? Length, weight, capacity. Meter is the standard unit of length. Gram is the standard unit of weight. Liter is the standard unit of capacity. This we studied in the chapter 11. In previous 3 weeks we were studying this. Now in this video, chapter 12, we are going to learn. The topic is time. Chapter 12, topic is time. What is the spelling for time? T-I-M-E, time. You might learn this time in the first standard itself. Now here to warm up you, they given some question and answer to match it. Okay. Now we'll read section A. Maithili is making a timetable. She is making a timetable. You will be, when you go to class, no, that time you will be having timetable. First period, second period, and interval period, lunch period, third period, fourth period, like that, and all you are having timetable, isn't it? Like that, that Molly is making her own timetable for the holidays. For her holidays, how she has to spend. For that, she is making a timetable. Match activities with the time. Now we are going to match the activities. Okay. Morning and afternoon. Morning and afternoon. Get up. What time Molly will be getting up? Okay, 7:30. Morning, 7:30. Have my bath. When she will have a bath? At 1 o'clock or 8:30 or 8 o'clock. Have my breakfast. First they'll have the breakfast or first they'll have a bath. Yes, first they'll have a bath. Then breakfast. After breakfast, what? Lunch. Have a lunch at 1 o'clock. Got it? Getting up 7:30. Taking bath at 8 o'clock. Breakfast at 8:30. Lunch at 1 o'clock. Now evening what she's doing. The Malini evening what she's doing. Going out to play. Watch television. Have dinner. Go to bed. Here are the times are given. Okay, going out to play at 8 p.m. or night 8 o'clock you'll go to play, or 7 o'clock or 5 o'clock or 9:30. Yes, in the evening 5 o'clock you will go to play. Watch television 7 o'clock. Have your dinner 8 o'clock. Go to bed 9:30. Understand? Okay, using this we are going to do the activities in the next page. Now we'll see the section B, what is given there. Write the missing numbers on the clock face. Write the missing numbers. Here you all are having clock at home, isn't it? Yes. First what will come? 1. Then 2 is there. 3. 4 is there. 5. 6, 7 is there. 8. 9 is 10 is there. 11. This is the clock. 12 numbers. 2 times it comes. From night to noon 12. From noon to night 12. So 24 hours a day. Now here is the 2 hands. We will say needle, no? Tamil la solluvaanga rendu mullu. Periya mullu chinna mullu solluvaanga. In English they will say long hand, short hand. Long hand, short hand. The long hand is called a minute hand. The long hand is called a minute hand. And what about the short hand? What they'll call? It shows the time. It shows the minute. So the short hand is called a hour hand. Hour, H-O-U, or hour hand. Understand? Small hand is called a minute hand. This is called a hour hand. What is this long hand called? Minute hand. Short hand called hour hand. Okay. Now section C. Write the time. Write the time. Here they given. Okay. 9 is in the small hand is near to 9 and long hand is showing to the standing near to 12. What is the time? Hour is 9. When it comes to 12, it is 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Okay. Now here see, small hand is pointing to the 4 and the long hand is pointing to the 12. What is the time now? Is 4 o'clock. Now next to see. Yes, now I think you can guess it. Small hand is hour and stands the 7. When long hand stands and point out to the 12, automatically it is the hour. 7 o'clock. Next, straight it stands 6 and 12. What is the time? 6 o'clock. Long hand shows the hours and short hand shows the minutes. Okay. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now in the clock you see here, I show this clock. We'll count this one. 60 minutes comes on. Okay, from here you start. When 5, see the 1 small dot is there, no, that is 1 2 3 4 5. When 5 comes, it is 5 minutes. 1 means when the long hand comes here and stands, 5 minutes. And again 6 7 8 9 10. When the long hand comes, point out to the 2, what is the minute? 10 minutes. Like that, if you know the 5 tables, no, also 1 is 5, 2 is 10, like that 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So one time this long hand rotate and it comes here means only 1 hour. This will move to the next. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now in page number 145, here giving reading time. Reading time. We studied, no, the Malini is putting a timetable for our holiday. This same thing only. Here we are going to read as a time. Okay, what time the Malini is getting up? 7:30. 7:30. See in the clock, 7, between 7 and 8, between 7 and 8, the small hand stands and the long hand point to the 6. Okay. So 7:30. See 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 7:30. Or we can say this long hand is passing half clock. Half clock, no, it passed. So 7:30. The hour hand is between 7 and 8. The minute hand is at 6. So we can say it's 7:30. Usually we used to say 7:30 like that only. We are not used to say 7:30, 7:15 and all. Okay. The next, have a bath. What time she had a bath? 8 o'clock. The hour hand is at 8. The minute hand is at the 12. What is the time? 8 o'clock. Next, have my breakfast. What time she had a breakfast? 8:30. What time she had a breakfast? 8:30. Now in the clock, see 8:30. Between 8 and 9, the short hand is there, and straight to the 6 it points. The long hand is pointing to the 6. So what is the time now? The hour hand is between 8 and 9. Okay, 8 க்கும் 9 க்கும் நடுவுல தான் ஷார்ட் ஹேண்ட் இருக்கும். ஏன்னா பாதி தூரம் இது வந்துருச்சு. Half past, the clock is past half. The minute hand is at 6. So what you have to say? 8:30 or half past 8. Half past 8. Now next, have lunch. What time she had a lunch? 1 o'clock, isn't it? The hour hand is at 1. The minute hand is at 12. Can you see it? The hour hand, the small hand is the hour hand. The long hand is the minute hand. So we have to say it 1 o'clock. Now next, this is morning and evening. Morning and afternoon. Now evening timetable. Go out to play. What time she go to play? 5. Isn't it? The hour hand at the 5. The minute hand is at the 12. Okay, so 5 o'clock. Next, watch television. What time she watch television? 7 o'clock. The hour hand is at 7. The minute hand is at 12. So you have to say 7 o'clock. Have dinner. What time she had a dinner? 8 o'clock. The hour hand is at the 8. Minute hand is at 12. So 8 o'clock. And one more is go to bed. Now you see, go to bed. What time she go to bed? 9:30. Or we have to say half past 9. The hour hand is between 9 and 10. The hour hand is between 9 and 10. The minute hand is at 6. Okay, so you have to say 9:30 or half past 9. That's all today's this thing, children. I'll show the clock and I'll explain this time, and I'll show calendar, everything I'll show and I'll explain in the Zoom class. So till here you do it, and this also let me explain and finish up. The minute hand takes 5 minutes to move from one number to the next, and 1 hour minute hand has completed the round. I explain, no? Yes. See, get it right. Which one is right? It's showing 6 and 12. The small short hand is pointing to the 6 and the long hand is pointing to the 12. What is the time? It's at 12:30 or at 6 o'clock. Yes, it's at 6 o'clock. When the short hand points to the 12 only, it's 12:30. But where short hand points to the 6, it's a 6 o'clock. Okay, children, any doubt if you have, you can ask me in the Zoom class. I'll show the clock and the calendars. I'll explain everything in the Zoom class. Thank you.